So one of the discussions that we have quite a bit in class is this concept called the imposter syndrome, which so many people walk around with. And the way we describe it as it relates to the actors in their normal life, but also as it relates to as we get into characterization and everything to do with acting, is that really the imposter syndrome is the two different sides of the human. We call it the duality of the human psyche. And there's the part of you that is in this moment, the part of you that lives like right here, right now. And that's called your emotional core. That's one side of you. That's the side of you that feels your way through each moment. It's the human side of you. Now that's the deeper side of you, and typically the more protected side of you that you don't necessarily show to the outside world. Well, on the opposite side of that is something called our logical mind. That's also known as our fear center. And that's the side of you that navigates moment to moment, hour to hour, day to day on what the best decision is to get you from one thing to the next. It's your survival instinct, but it works off fear. So you have your logical mind and your emotional core. Now, your logical mind typically comes up with what you should or should not show everyone around you. It's your filtering system. It's your editor. So many times we don't allow others to see our purely human side. We filter that and we wear what's called social masks, which then show people what we want them to see or what we think we should show them, and we suppress what we think we should not show them. And both of those things together creates what's known as the imposter syndrome, which is what we are on the inside, our pure human side, our emotional core, what we're feeling day to day, who we think we are and feel we are on the inside is different than who others see us as, simply because we wear masks. And one of the things that we do in acting is we learn how to remove these masks. And we learn how to make sure that we're not suppressing the human side of us, the emotional side of us, giving ourselves permission to express, giving ourselves permission to embrace every single thing we feel, and try to remove all self-judgment and self-criticism about the emotions that we're experiencing and about how we feel about different things. And really, in our acting, we want to be the full expression of everything that is happening as it is happening. So as we learn to move our focus outward and we learn to embrace